All right, so we got a little quickie one today. It's going to help some people out. '02 to '05 Dodge Ram A-pillar. They break all the time. Super easy to get out. So we'll show you how we do it. All you need is a 10 millimeter and just like a skinny little screwdriver. All right, and let's get to it here. All right, so what you have, lighting's not great. What you have is a couple, there you go. You have a couple of covers that cover the bolts right there and right there. Looks like someone's already gouged them up a little bit. That's all right. So what you want to do is just stick your screwdriver in. That's why I wanted the small skinny one so it doesn't damage it like that one is. Pop that out. There's little tethers that hold them on. On the bottom one, you want to do it on the top. On the top of the, as best you can. There we go. Boom, just like that. All right, so now what there is a 10 millimeter specialty bolt that's holding this on. So you got one here. Yeah, come on, there we go. Oh, that one dropped. That one dropped. Okay, kind of a little bit of a pain, but they're just two 10 millimeter bolts. All right, so now what you do, just grab the handle, pull. It's still connected down here. See, this is released up here, right there, and it's still connected down here. There's no bolts or screws or anything. You just got to kind of pry. You just got to pry down. See how that's pulling that up right down on the bottom there? Boom, just pry down, and then it will release those two tabs right there. All right, and what usually breaks is right there. That's what usually breaks on these. Right there and right there. You know, and you still get your clips. Those still help hold it in, but overall it's a good A-pillar. I sell these in my store. I'll put a link to my store below. Super easy video. Just figured it'd help somebody out. If you like the video, like it, comment. If there's a easier way, throw it in the comments below. But like, comment, and subscribe like always. Hopefully this helped. Thank you.